Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how to prepare our mind to learn English automatically. How to train our mind to make a habit of learning English. Because if we do some word that is out of our habit, so we can do it automatically. We wake up every day in a fixed time, we wash our face, we brush up our teeth, we walk every time in the same time, and we scroll our mobile so many times, and we do it automatically. So just think about, if we make a habit of learning this language, so we can learn this language automatically. We don't need to give so much push for learning this language. Oh, we need to just practice this language. You don't. You can do it. You can learn this language automatically. But for this, you have to make a habit for learning this language. So the point is that how to make a habit. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about 3 points that are very important for learning this language. Okay, so yes, we need to take care of 3 important keys that are very important to make a habit for learning this language. Okay, so before getting into the video, I just want to ask you a question. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so yes, it's very important to make a habit, because once we make a habit, we can do it automatically. Okay, but yes, starting time we need to focus so much, consciously focus, because when we are learning new skill, so new skill will not come to you subconsciously. Initially time you need to give your effort consciously, and yes, if you do this conscious work, if you work on this habit, make a habit minimum 21 days consciously, then believe me, after 21 days it will come to you automatically. You can do the same skill that you have to conscious. Okay, you can do the same learning skill, learn subconsciously. Okay, so yes, you need to follow 3 important keys that are very important. So very first key is that make it easy. Make it easy. Yes, it's very important, because our mind wants to do the same thing, wants to do the thing that is easy, that is comfort, feel comfort. Okay, our mind and our body wants to take a challenge that is very easy. We don't need to give so much effort. So just train your mind. Okay, you are doing to learn this language, and this language is very easy. Don't say every time that it's very difficult language, I can't learn this language, oh it's a secondary language. Don't do that. You need to just train your brain that yes, it's a very easy language, and yes, we can learn this language. It's a very easy language. Once you need to give a positive vibes in your mind, to your mind. Okay, now do the same thing for make a easy for this language. You need to set a realistic goal. If you will start learning English very high sounding, sophisticated and very tough sentence in initially time, so your mind, your body don't want to stay with this journey so long. Okay, so in initially time you need to focus how to make this journey, how to start this journey in a easy way. So start your speaking habit with simple and easy words and sentences, and try to relate the same words and sentences that is happening in your daily life. I mean to say, learn English from your daily routine. Learn in English what you did yesterday. Learn English by your hobby, with your hobby. Okay. So, and yes, we try to learn the same thing that we generally learned it before. Okay. So, yes, for this you need to give practice. You need to revise the same topic again and again. Okay, and you should avoid procrastination. It happens with everyone. Procrastination, it's happened with everyone, but you need to set your mind that okay, you need to give only 10 minutes, not half an hour, not 1 hour every day, only 10 minutes. And it is as easier as scrolling a mobile on 10 minutes. So yes, initially time you need to give only 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 15 minutes is enough for your learning is language. And start your English with 10 minutes. 10 minutes you are thinking like okay, I need to just give only 10 minutes for this language. So your mind, your body can easily learn this language. Okay, so set a 10 minutes initially time, not more than. Second thing that is very important, and that is make it interesting. Our mind just want to learn all the things and that is interesting. Okay, just give an example. I just want to I read any book and I find that book is very interesting, so I just continuously reading that book every day because I feel very interested in that book. And just think about, if I find that book is not so much interesting, and so what I generally do, I put that book aside. I don't want to read that book again. Okay, this is the process. This is the habit of our mind. Our mind just want to learn the same thing that in which we feel interested. Okay, so make it interesting. But the point is that how to make it interesting. Okay, you need to just think about your favorite hero. It is your interesting subject. Think about any gossip that you want to do conversation with your friends. Think about any memory that will give you happiness in your face. Think about any memory, any occasion that you want to speak. Okay, so make your English interesting and try to speak in English with start your English with interesting subject. Okay, interesting topic. Now let's move on. Third key, that is very 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 important, and that is satisfying. Okay, why I am saying that it is very important, because just think about, if I want to reduce my weight, so within 6 day I want to check my weight every day. Okay, every day. And if I not find any positive result, so do you think will I continue my weight loss journey if I feel demotivated? No, I will not. Okay, so this is the same process of learning this language. You need to check your progress. You need to reward yourself. Okay, just take a topic and try to speak in English in front of the mirror or in front of someone. If you find, and yes, in this time you can record your video, and if you feel that your English is improving day by day, so you feel motivated, you feel okay, stay tuned, you want to learn this language every day because you are finding positive result. So yes, satisfying, it's very important. You need to satisfy your journey. You need to find positive result. Okay, and for this you need to check your goal. You need to evaluate your process. You need to find your initially time you are not so comfort for speaking in English in front of the public. Okay, in front of you can identify your level, you can identify your improvement. Okay, because within 7 days you find that you are improving. Just start your English with a simple and easy sentence. After 7 days you will feel like you can easily speak those sentences very quickly, very fastly. In this way you can find that you are improving. And yes, satisfying thing, it's very important. It will give you motivation, it will feel you motivated all over your journey. Okay, so yes, these are few three main keys, and if you follow three main keys, okay, believe me, you will find that English is not for you, just like a challenge. You are feeling like it is a part of our life, just like bath every day, just like eat food every day. So yes, English is just this is a part of your life. Once you make a part English in your life, then you can master in English, you will master in English. Okay, so yes, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.